got a drink of toilet. Let's have the toothpaste last. Never eat toothpaste ever again. Now let's have some toilet water. Just to wash it down. Oh wait, what about if I just have a little poop just to drink it? It just tastes a little bit better and have an extra little bit of flavour to it. I fell down the toilet. Now let's get on to the drinking. Come on, let's do it. Select